My name's Jessica Preshaw. I'm a consultant gynaecologist at Southmead Hospital, so that's North Bristol Trust. I'm the endometriosis lead here at Southmead Hospital, and I'm also head of laparoscopic simulation training for the Severn Deanery. As part of the BSG laparoscopic training subcommittee, we decided to get together and run something that's called the BSG RIGS National Training Programme. And what it involves is having a training simulation hub in every deanery across the country, and larger deaneries have a couple of hubs. What I needed was a simulator that could go into every unit. So in the Severn Deanery, we've got 6 different units. So I wanted each unit to have exactly the same simulator so that as trainees move around the deanery from placement to placement, they've already got used to the kit. It's not about learning how to use a new piece of kit. And over the course of your 7 years, you can track your progress, you can see how many tasks that you've done. And as my role as sort of leading laparoscopic sim education, I can then connect with every single trainee. The reason I think the LapAR component's really beneficial is because you get the ability to have that sort of virtual platform, the ability to track all your progress, monitor your performance, but you're also using models. And I think having used more expensive platforms that don't give you that same haptic ability because of the models, that's where I think that this wins for me. For example, if you take laparoscopic suturing in a virtual world it just doesn't translate as well to the actual clinical scenario. But when I've used the vaginal vault model, for example, and you're practicing your laparoscopic suturing on that, it translates much better to then doing it on a patient. I really recommend Innovus. They have been a really receptive, approachable, helpful company. And there are people at Innovus who've really gone out of their way to help me make this a success and to make this work. It is affordable with the money that we have, and at the same time I wouldn't be using all this kit, purchasing this kit and purchasing more of this kit if I didn't think the kit was great. And actually I think the kit is excellent. Trainees want to use the kit, are enthused to use it, and that's important because if you're going to spend time and money on kit, you need it to be used. I don't want a really expensive simulator sat in the corner not being used. It's such a waste of money, and it's really depressing. So yeah.